FEC's number 109 after the meet and crew swap in Pineda. Mr. Logan Bauer was up there getting his groove on. He's taking pictures of the meet. Hopefully he got some good shots. His YouTube page is posted in the description box below. Check out his YouTube videos. Support a young rail fan here on the Florida East Coast Main Line. We got a champion. Sounds like the 7-Eleven. Yeah, that is. There she is. 7-Eleven and the 704. Drop a can of juice car. Here's got an orange one in there. Walmart, save money, live better. And a creek. I think it's a good sized train off. Nice. Nice. EOT at 11:32. BBT 609 here at 512 West. Here at the switch, milepost 214.9 on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of 336, which I saw earlier, but probably am or not going to post a video. No, I didn't take a video. Never mind. I saw it, but I didn't take the video. 336, 210, and 109. Look, listen, and live.